Hey guys, and welcome in or welcome back to my channel. So I received a package in the mail from Ruby Kisses, and when I saw the lipsticks I'm about to do lip swatches for, the first thing I thought were Kylie lip kits. I mean, they're designed pretty similar to the lip kits. You know, they got the little drips there on the packaging. They smell just like the Kylie lip kits. You know, they have that sweet candy type smell to them, but what matters is, do they perform like Kylie lip kits? You know, do they have the same type of formula? Because one of these retails for $17 while one of these retails for $2. You know, even if it doesn't perform like the Kylie lip kit, I might have to jump on that wave because $2, ma'am. Okay, so those were all of the lipstick shades that I have to show you today. So to answer my question that I asked in the title, are these dupes of the Kylie Lip Kit lipstick, liquid lipsticks? If you're only looking for a dupe that is the same in packaging and smell, yes. Formula, no. I think you guys could see without, me even having to mention it, these are quite streaky lipsticks. It got better as we got into the darker shades, but I think you could still see that even with some of the darker ones, the more borderline neon ones, like that hot pink and that red orange one, the streaks were still very much so there. You can even it out. It's just going to take more time and more product on your lips. That hot pink, I just gave up on that one. I was like, you know what? You're going to see these streaks today, because I was over it by that point. So you can get, an even application on your lips. It's just going to take more time and more product, and you're literally going to have to dip into that tube for quite a bit to get an even application on your face with some of these shades. What else? I do feel like the applicator also makes it hard to get an even application on your lips. I think the idea was good. It's just, they didn't execute it that well. It's got some type of curve indentation in it, which typically would help, get a smoother application. How many times can I say that? On your lips. However, if your lips are a tad bit larger, if they're a lot larger than this, it makes it harder because it only gets, a little bit of your lips, and I feel like that also is where the streaks start creating or forming themselves on your lips there. And then when you go down to get that part, then you mess up the part that you already did on your top lip. So if the applicator was bigger, I could see where, the design of it would kind of help putting it on your lips, but being this small, it does not help. These do dry down pretty matte. This one on my lips is pretty much dry there. So this is how matte it's going to be on your lips. So they are pretty matte like the Kylie lip kits. I do feel like both these and the Kylie lip kits will crack on your lips. However, I feel this one will do it a whole lot quicker than the Kylie ones. Kylie, you'll get a couple hours before it starts to crack on your lips. This one, by the time I put it on my lips and then had to switch out the batteries on my cameras, it had already started to crack, especially, if I smile wide there. So there is that with these. They are pigmented, you'll get, once you fight there, you'll get an even application on your lips, except some of the lighter ones I really don't feel like you want to waste your time there trying to get something on your lips. They're also not the most flattering of colors for some of them that I tried in the beginning. Bottom line, I really feel like you get what you pay for with these lipsticks. They are just $2. I was about to end this video, but then I figured, why don't I just do a swatch or two here of one Kylie lipstick and then one Ruby Kisses. So I think there we go. So this is the Kylie lip kit, and this is the, I keep saying lip kit, lipstick, and this is the Ruby Kisses, the one that I'm holding in my hand right now. Even swatched, you can see a little streakiness there on the Ruby Kisses side, but again, they're both pretty pigmented. I feel like they both kind of feel the same on your lips. It's just, the formula of one will last a little bit longer than the other one, and it's a little bit easier to apply. I feel like those are the main differences between these two, and also the applicators are different. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing these lipsticks on my face and hearing some of my thoughts has helped. If you were thinking of trying these out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Songer, c'est moi qui a pris ma veille, fait la vie plus belle. Pour qui ouvre, pour petit tout héritier,
Yep, we gonna listen to it again. Megan and Harry got me in the mood to get married.
I just know my mama.